All right, so on this call, what I want to do is show you how you can upload a folder, an entire folder to the media storage. So let's say if you have some documents that are stored on your computer and you need them to be uploaded into your media storage. You don't want to have to individually upload these items. You want to be able to upload the entire folder. So it'll let you do that. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So if we go to media storage on the menu on the left, okay, and then so now we're in the media storage. What we want to do now is go to upload. So we're going to click on the drop down for upload. There is an option here that says upload folder. So we're going to do upload folder, and then we're going to pick a folder here. Let's see here. All right. I believe you do see my screen. So let's try to pick something here. Doo-doo-doo. We're just gonna pick something. Okay, so we're gonna pick this one. I'm just gonna double click on the folder. We're gonna click upload. All right, it's letting us know that we got three files that's on here. Here's the title of the folder, and we're gonna click upload. Okay, if you see down here at the bottom, it has successfully uploaded. You'll see the check mark here. If you click on this drop down, it'll also show you everything that was added as well. And then in order to be able to find them, there is a drop down section here that says folders. So it's going to add the actual folder itself, and you'll be able to see that this is the folder here. And then if we click on that, you'll be able to see the items in there. So let's click select. Double click on that, and then we'll see all the items inside of that folder. So let's go back to the main page here. So home. And again, here's where the folders. So if you don't see them listed up here, it may be closed. So you'll just make sure that you click on that arrow. If you just see folders and there's nothing there, make sure you click on the arrow to drop down all the folders inside of that section. Okay. So that's how you add a folder to the media storage.